Normally, the transmitter and receiver is in jogging and interlocked state. And now we set the function. You can see here's the code, and it's SC mode. Now we set the latching function. At first, read the card. What function as it? And now we set it. For example, this part is is inside the part in the same, and you can see this number showed the different button. The first one is the start button, and the second number is up and down, and the three number is east and west, and the four number is south and north, and this number is number 1 and number 2 button, and this number means number 3 and number 4 button.
比如说，它要设置上指锁。
For example, now you need to set the up button in the latching function.
上指锁就把这个对应这个上的这个令。
You can see this up and down. It is need to set the second number, so you move the dot to this position.
是上指锁。
Now the number 1 means the up button latching function.
然后 2 是下指锁。
And number 2 means the down button is the latching function.
那么上就没有指锁了。
And 1 and 2 is only for one button with latching function. If you want to both up and down button with the latching function, you need to choose number 3.
上下一起指锁。
Now you set the up and down button with the latching function.
然后其他的是一个道理。
Other is the same. For example, we want to set the source. We want to set the source button with the latching function. You need to modify the fourth number, this one. 给它改一下难。
那就是一。
And now you can see the dot moved here. In this number, you can set the south and north button, and number 1 means the south button with latching function, and number 2 with north button with latching function, and number 3 with both north and south are latching function. Other position number with the same. All of them are with the same principle. Number 1 means the first button is with latching function, and number 2 means the second button with latching function. Number 3 means both of them are latching function.